This is part 2 of 3 of cleaning out half of the chicken pen. We gotta spread the poop. Not much, only like half the pen. So kick back and relax while we spread poop.
So why are we cleaning out this part of the pen again, Jake?
Because it gets wet and very sloppy because the chicken water feeders leak. Sometimes. When they stick their head in it, it leaks. In the first part, which you should have watched before this, we actually clean out the pen. And in the part 3, we will be bedding down the pen.
The pen has to dry first, though.
Because it gets very moist.
Straw needs to be dried.
Yeah, that's part 2. See you later. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.